as the weather department said. I'm shooting this video at around 10 a.m. East African time, and I'm coming live and direct from Nairobi, Kenya. This is the capital city of Kenya and maybe Africa. It's unofficial, or rather it's the unofficial capital city of Africa, the economic city, the green city under the sun. But today it's under storm, the rain. So for this video, I want to show you something that can keep you warm, give you the warmth, during this cold weather, especially for the guys that are single. If you're sleeping alone, you have nobody to cuddle at night, you need to be warm. That's why I come in today's video. I want to shoot something very nice, yummy, and give you a lot of warmth. So let me take you through the ingredients for today's or whatever I'm making today. I know you have seen it on the title or the thumbnail. It's called Dalgona Coffee. You have seen it, or maybe you have seen it in a lot of videos in the past, but I want to make it in my video and for you guys. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like the video, and share, because that's the only way you can support me in this YouTube journey. Yeah, let me take you through the ingredients for today's video. We have very few ingredients. One is sugar, coffee, water of course, and milk. That's it. A minute. The ingredient is coffee. See, I'm using the Nescafe or Nescafe. Milk, I'm using Daima. You can use any. You can use what do you call it? You can use a lot of them have. Why am I forgetting these brands from milk? We have Brookside, we have Daima, we have Fresher, we have the fresh milk, we have like ATMs where you can go buy milk here in Kenya. For the Kenyans, you are familiar with that. You can go buy that one, any amount you want. But today I'll be making only 1 glass because I'm alone. Yeah, only this one. This is enough for me. Yeah, let's get into the action. And also have the sufuria, of course, to boil the milk. All right, so let's start the video. First step, I'll boil the milk, and I'll leave it to boil. Then I'll boil some water. So see you in a few. As we wait for it to boil and also boil the water, then I'll start the process later on. Yeah, and if you are seeing this video for the first time, please leave a sweet comment, like it, and you can share with your friends. Tell a friend to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be posting amazing videos. I'm getting better and better each day. By the way, when I started this YouTube journey, I could hit record on my camera and I could go blank. Like prior to starting the video, I could prepare what I'm gonna say, what I will show. But when I start the camera, I get so tensed, my heart starts racing. I don't know why, but nowadays I'm getting better and better as we go. So let me boil the water and wait for the milk to boil. Then I will start the process of making the coffee. Yeah, it's on. So let's wait for this one and this one to boil. Then we start the process. Yeah, the water has boiled. All we need is 2 tablespoons of water, hot boiling water. I can add a little bit, like 3. 2 tablespoons of sugar in there. I can stir a little bit. Put that aside. And of course the coffee, you can see it. It is Yeah, I'm not advertising them, but this is what I like using. You can use any brand of coffee that you love. I'm going to put 1 sachet of this coffee. So all of it, or the whole of it. Yeah, so there are 2. So I'll put this side. This one is I'll use some other time. And now all left is to whisk. You whisk this until it forms like a brownish, or like, what do you call it, like caramel, brown caramel. But if you don't have a whisk, you can use a fork. For me, I'm using this. So we start whisk. It's somehow arranged process. So this is what you do now. You whisk. So when you whisk until it forms like caramel like consistency, a thick one. We continue whisking. You can see it's starting to form like a thick consistency, but it's not yet thick enough. You know, the point is when you put the milk in the glass, then you put the coffee. It's not supposed to sink or mix with the milk. If you have an electric mixture, it will be way easier and faster. Like if I was using that electric mixture, it could be done by now. So it will get a very fast rate, but for me, I have to work with whatever I have. We're almost there. Hang on. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't. And watch out for amazing videos. Now you can see it has formed like a caramel like consistency, but I'll keep on whisking for some like 2 minutes so that I get the desired consistency. We are done. Get a clean glass, then you pour in your hot milk up to maybe that point, and add more a little bit here. Then now you take your your coffee spoon. This one I used it to mix the coffee before I started whisking. Then you have to do now is place it. Hope you can see it clearly. You place it on top of the milk gently. You can push it to the sides. And I made just for one person. We scoop, you can see, scoop all of it. Place it. It's hard to scoop all of it because you know, I don't know. Here it's our final product. You can see it how beautiful it looks. See it. Hope you enjoyed that video. I made Dalgona coffee. Here it is. Let me do some taste test. You can use a straw or you can just drink it like that. So I use the straw so that I can penetrate the milk plus this coffee. Let me do a taste test for you guys and I'll tell you how it is. It's so amazing. You can make this for your girlfriend, for your family, for your friends, for yourself, you know, and I'm telling you, you will love it. So guys, leave a sweet comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and you can share with a friend or your family members, your colleagues, so they can see this amazing video. And I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.